Hey there, aspiring VAs. Welcome back to the Electrifying Aspiring VA series, your go-to source for all things virtual assistant. I am your trusted guide, Cranberry, and today's episode is a whirlwind ride through the art of connecting in the digital realm. Buckle up because we're diving into client communication, the secret sauce for cultivating unbreakable bonds in the virtual space. Imagine this. You're in a bustling virtual ballroom and the music, it's the home of digital communication. But don't worry, I've got the perfect moves to help you glide through the dance of client relationships. Today, we're turning up the charm and setting the stage for engaging and authentic interactions. First impressions, they're your foot in the door, your golden ticket. From crafting a compelling email to that magical hello on a video call, every interaction matters. Trust me, the way you introduce yourself sets the tone for the entire relationship. Let's nail those first impressions together. Just like a dance, effective communication requires a graceful balance of give and take, leading and following. Imagine you're communicating with a new client. Just like on a dance floor, you start with a warm and inviting introduction. Engage them by sharing a bit about yourself and your expertise, just as you'd share a friendly smile on the dance floor. This initial step sets the tone for the dance of your client relationship. But here's a twist. Just as you adapt your dance step to match your partner's, adapt your communication style to match your client's preferences. Some clients prefer quick, to the point emails, while others enjoy more detailed conversations. This adaptability ensures your communication is a harmonious duet rather than a one-sided solo. But guys, communication isn't just about words. It's about the art of connecting dots, whether it's an email, a Slack message, or even a carrier pigeon. Okay, maybe not the pigeon. But the key is to weave a conversational spell that captures attention. Let's sprinkle some magic into every message we send. In the virtual realm, listening isn't just about ears. It's about tuning into the digital vibes. Understanding your client's needs, preferences, and quirks is the secret to providing tailored support. Think of it as mind reading, but without the crystal ball. Now let's talk about sprinkling a little fairy dust in your interactions. Going the extra mile, surprising your client with unexpected touches, and showing genuine care can turn a good experience into an unforgettable one. Remember, a happy client dances to the rhythm of a satisfied heart. Are you ready to infuse your virtual connections with a dash of sparkle? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Your journey to virtual relationship stardom is just getting started. And there you have it, my incredible aspiring VAs. Client communication is your bridge to success in the virtual world. Join me next time for episode 7, where we'll unveil the secrets of time management to gracefully balance multiple projects. Until then, keep those digital conversations lively, authentic, and remember, in the virtual ballroom of business, you are the star. Until next time, guys, it's your girl Cranberry signing off. Bye.